Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Dhanvat Pranam. Prabhu, we see this feeling of enviousness is not for everybody. Suppose there are two devotees in ashram who are doing very nice things and they are achieving. So one devotee's nature is very good. He is submissive and humble and he treats everybody nicely. So when he is progressing, I feel good for him. I'm not feeling enviousness. But on the other hand, some other devotee is there who is not respectful or who doesn't cares for other. If he is progressing, then I feel kind of hatred, or I would say jealousy. Why is it so that I'm not having enviousness for everybody same, but for some particular kind of people only?
So you're saying, when you don't mind qualified people progressing, but you mind and when unqualified people progress. First of all, how do you classify qualified or unqualified? So you're saying that when unqualified people progress, I feel envious. How can unqualified people progress? Not possible.
Whatever achievements they are getting, it is by sanction of Krishna and Prabhupada only.
So what you are saying is, you are talking about the facilities he is getting or the position he is getting. You are measuring qualified or not qualified in terms of the visible positions, visible things he is getting. So that itself is wrong from our side, because we don't actually, but it is sometimes common, we should not, by seeing what he is getting, we should not judge whether he is qualified or not qualified. Because karma provides, not Krishna. Right? If some devotee is getting something, he is not really qualified, but he has got something. Karma is also playing. But don't think that, oh, Krishna has given, Krishna has blessed him. Or sometimes you find externally a devotee very, very humble, crawling down. Humble so that he crawls down. Pakka sadhana, pakka externals. He got a facility. I feel happy. But it could be the reverse. Maybe he's a duplicitous person. Right? Because bhakti can be, drama is possible. Sometime in life, Maya will hit him. Maya is not going to spare anybody. But maybe now Maya is favoring him. He has got some facility. So our measure of who is qualified, who is not qualified is totally wrong. Could be wrong. So the best thing is not to compare. Best thing is always feel that whether it's karma has provided him, Krishna has provided him, we always conclude as Krishna has provided him. My father has provided him. My father will provide me also whenever I am ready. My father has provided him. So when we identify the Supreme Lord as a father and all other living entities as brothers and sisters, then the same father is providing for him, same father provide for me too. So when we try to compare and analyze too much, we get into a wrong path. So it's not our position or our requirement to just to console. You have to take spiritual philosophy as a consoling matter. Feel consoled by the Shastra. Don't feel consoled by mental justifications. Right? We should feel, so what is Shastra saying? So by absorbing oneself in the philosophy, one should feel consoled. Yeah, sometimes it may pain. Or maybe there was a mistake in the management also. Nobody is God. Right? The management can also make mistake because this person should have got better, that person somehow got it. Nobody is God. Mistakes can happen. Depend on Krishna. So what you said is correct. Be happy for others. That's good. Be happy for others. That's a good qualification. But don't try to justify my happiness, my peace of mind because of certain judgments I make. We should feel peaceful ourselves. We should feel full. What Shastras say. Based on that, we should feel full.